What is happening, team? Welcome back to yet another video. So today we are still working on our Suzuki Grand Vitara. You might have seen previously that we've installed the bottom end of the engine, which is our block. It's fully assembled and it's looking really nice. I mean, look at it, it's shiny. It looks like a brand new engine. And the alternator and the aircon pump have also been attached to it. So today we went ahead and installed our cylinder head gasket. We've installed our cylinder head. We've adjusted everything that needed to be adjusted. I must say it's looking really nice. I mean, it's looking like a brand new engine. So our cylinder head is in. So we just need to put in our camshafts and put in the front cover, put in the chain, put in everything that needs to go in, and then we'll be done with our engine. Then we'll be moving on to the rest of the engine bay. So without wasting any time, let's crack on with this engine bay because we want to get this car on the road. So here we go, let's go. Whoa, welcome back everyone. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. And we're still cracking on with the engine bay on the Suzuki Grand Vitara. So we've just installed the coolant line from the throttle body into the feeder line, and we've also completed the throttle body or the air filter housing that attaches to the throttle body. And I like cleaning while I'm working, so basically it helps me see if I've missed a bolt or two, or I didn't connect a wire. So I'm just cleaning, just to make sure that my working environment is pretty clean, pretty crisp. So this is a part of my workflow basically. Whenever I'm working, I always make sure that I clean my working environment, and it helps me, get things done easier and quicker. So up next is the thermostat housing together with the return line, the coolant line. So there's a trick to this. So it took me quite a while to actually install this. So the easier way of doing it, well, I did it the hard way, and unfortunately it took me a while. So the easier way of doing it is to remove the housing from the pipe so that it's easier to mount. Then after the housing has been mounted onto the thermostat, then you can actually attach the hose into the thermostat housing and into the radiator, so it makes things easier. But unfortunately I didn't follow that, and yeah, that took me a few hours to complete that part. So let's keep cracking and see how far we get today. So what you see me do here is taping up this oil switch plug, because it actually broke during the disassembly. The wire was quite old, hard and brittle, so as soon as we went ahead and disassembled everything, then it broke. So I'm putting it together, and it looks as good as new. Now here I was stuck between a rock and a hard place. So basically that switch, it goes on top of the aircon pump. So now I couldn't get it through, just fishing it through to where it's supposed to connect, and I decided, okay, steel wire is gonna be my friend in this case, and I decided, okay, let's hook the steel wire onto this plug, put in some tape, fish it down, and I mean, what do you know, it actually worked. I mean, I was surprised. So it actually worked, and I was able to connect the plug with ease. So here I'm actually like fishing it down, making sure that it's actually like passing through all the other plugs and wires and everything else. So I'm gently navigating it through to where it's supposed to, and like enough it went through, and I'm pulling away the steel wire, and we are good. So here we go. I'm pulling it through, then it's going down into where it's supposed to connect. So that's a tip in case maybe get stuck in that situation. So let's keep on cracking. So I'm connecting my my oil switch and the other switch, and we keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. now finalizing the radiator installation, and I must say a lot of progress was done today. A lot of the engine bay is looking better than it was a few hours ago or a few days ago, and I'm happy to say we are making huge progress. So what's left is just a few coolant lines at the top feeder line and a few other things to button up in the engine bay, and then we should be able to start this thing very soon. So please stay tuned for the next episode, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, because it will be highly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when the new video is uploaded.